My name is Brandon Plambeck. I'm an Avionics Line Technician, and I've worked at Duncan Aviation for almost 2 years. I've always been curious my whole life. I've always been interested in aviation. When I joined the Army, my job was an Aircraft Electrician, and throughout the 6 years in the Army, I built up my skills troubleshooting and repairing wires and fixing different avionics faults. My future career aspirations, right now I'm an Avionics Tech II. I'm working on becoming a Tech III and then eventually becoming a Master Tech and becoming an inspector. I come to work, I read the pass down from the second shift, get an idea what they accomplished that night, and I will be briefed by my supervisor on basically what needs to be done today. I will do my best to accomplish that, come do the paperwork, and then on to the next job. My favorite thing to do at the job is I like to troubleshoot. Troubleshooting is so a customer can come to us with the fault, and we will do our best to narrow it down and isolate it to a single component to replace or fix that will solve the problem. I like to work on like a tough fault, and my favorite part is when I finally get that answer that'll fix the problem. It is a rewarding feeling. I'd say my least favorite thing is there's not a lot of airflow in these planes. It gets hot in the summer. You can't wear shorts. Sometimes it's a struggle, but it's mostly manageable. We got a pretty good shift here, 7 to 3:30. So I get off at 3:30, go straight to the gym. I'm done by 5. I got the rest of the night to plan what I'm doing, hang out with friends, stay in, go find somewhere to eat, get anything done I need to around the house. So I think I do it pretty good. The advice I would give to someone applying for this position is to be a hard worker, be flexible, and willing to learn. We work on a lot of airplanes. There's so much information going to be coming at you, but just be willing to learn, take your time, and you'll get there.
All right, yeah, don't make it look bad.
Oh, we won't, we promise.
All right.
Thanks, Brandon.